who want to speak English with more confidence and more calm. My name is Alex, and I'm here to help you improve your English step by step, day by day. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can listen, relax, and repeat after me if you want. There is no pressure here. There are no tests. There is no rush, only progress, one small step at a time. Take a deep breath. Feel comfortable. Let's begin. Today's episode is about building a daily English habit that really works. A habit that fits into your life. A habit that feels simple. A habit that feels possible. Many people think learning English is difficult. They think they need many hours. They think they need perfect grammar. They think they need to live in another country. But that is not true. You do not need to move abroad. You do not need long study sessions. You do not need to be perfect. What you need is consistency. Small actions, repeated every day. That is how real progress happens. Let's start with listening. Listening is the foundation of good English. If you want to speak English well, you must listen often. Listening helps your brain learn the sounds of English. It helps you hear the rhythm, the melody, and the flow of the language. It helps English feel familiar, not strange. You can listen while you live your life. While you walk, while you clean, while you cook, while you travel, while you rest. You can listen to podcasts. You can listen to short videos. You can listen to simple stories. You do not need to understand everything. 30% is okay. 50% is great. Your brain is learning, even when you do not notice it. 10 minutes a day is enough to start. Now let's talk about speaking. Speaking is how confidence grows. You do not need perfect pronunciation. You do not need long sentences. You just need to use your voice. After you listen to a sentence, repeat it. Say it out loud. For example, I am learning English every day. Now repeat. I feel more confident when I practice. Repeat. I am improving little by little. Repeat. Speaking like this connects your brain and your mouth. This is how fluency grows. Slowly, naturally, day by day. Now let's talk about thinking in English. This is a powerful habit. At first, do not try to think in long sentences. Start small, very small. When you wake up, say in your mind, "It is morning. I am tired. I need coffee." When you get out of bed, say, "I am standing up. I am walking." When you go outside, say, "The weather is nice. The street is busy. I see people." These thoughts are simple, but they help your brain connect directly to English. No translation, no delay. Later you can say them quietly out loud, just for you. This builds confidence. Now, let's talk about reading aloud. Reading silently is good. Reading aloud is better. It helps your pronunciation. It helps your fluency. It helps your confidence. Choose short texts. Read slowly. Read clearly. Then read again, a little faster. Then read again, with more expression. Imagine you are speaking to someone. This is exercise for your voice, like the gym, but for English. Now let's bring English into your daily life. This is very important. English should not live only in a notebook. It should live in your habits. You can start with small changes. Change your phone language to English. Read simple messages in English. Write short notes in English. Write a short diary every day. Only 3 sentences. For example, today I worked. I felt tired. I watched an English video. This simple habit creates strong progress over time. Another powerful habit is recording yourself. Once a day, record 1 minute. Talk about your day. Talk about your plans. Talk about your feelings. For example, today was busy. I worked in the morning. I felt tired, but calm. It does not need to be perfect. No one else needs to hear it. When you listen to yourself, you learn. You hear your pronunciation. You notice your progress. This builds confidence. Now let's talk about mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake means you are trying. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Use short sentences, clear sentences. For example, I like coffee. I work in the morning. I study English every day. Simple sentences are strong sentences. Now let's talk about motivation. Some days feel easy. Some days feel hard. That is normal. Progress is not always fast, but progress is happening. Even when you feel tired, even when you feel busy, 5 minutes a day is powerful. 10 minutes a day can change everything. Small habits create big results. Be patient with yourself. Be kind to yourself. Do not compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to yesterday. Ask yourself, am I better than last week? If yes, you are winning. If not, keep going. English is not a race. It is a journey. Now take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. You are doing well. You are learning. You are improving. Step by step. Day by day. Thank you for listening today. I hope this episode helped you feel calm, motivated, and confident. Practice a little today. Practice again tomorrow. Small steps, strong habits. See you next time.